What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again and bringing you another property tour video. Now, let me start this video with the news that Miami has recently overtaken LA as the second most expensive place to live in the US, and we're quickly closing in on New York to become the first. Now, what this means to you and I is that real estate prices are changing, and they're changing fast. And I am trying my best to push out as many updated videos as I can to keep you all up to date. But of course, that is easier said than done. Anyways, today's video takes us to a 1-bedroom plus den with 2 full baths at the One Miami condominium in downtown Miami, and it is listed for rents for $3,200 per month or for sale for $450,000. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weekly Miami property tour videos just like this one, and click that like button to help support me and the channel. All right, let's go. One Miami condominium is situated on the corner of downtown where the river meets the bay, and it is the only residential building that sits east of Biscayne Boulevard, leading to some of the most spectacular and unobstructed views of Biscayne Bay, Miami Beach, and much more. One Miami was built in 2005 and consists of an east and west tower containing 896 units between them. You won't find some of the top tier amenities here as you will find in some of the newer projects, but when you compare the price, location, square footage, and more importantly, the view, One Miami stacks up with the rest of them. The first thing you will notice as we enter is that this 1-bedroom plus den has been tastefully renovated. The main changes include the wood flooring, the new light fixtures, and the updated bathrooms. Now keep in mind that not every property at One Miami exhibits the same finishes as this one. Of course, this is going to lead to this property in particular to command a higher price point than other similar layouts that you're going to find. At 1,215 square feet, this 1-bedroom plus den is pretty spacious, and some may even consider this den to be a second bedroom. Because it doesn't have a window, it cannot be legally considered a bedroom, but it does have a walk-in closet and a guest bathroom, so all the features of a bedroom, if you will, minus the window, so it can easily function as a bedroom if you prefer. Both the living and the master have some of the most exceptional views of the water that you're going to find at this price point. Because we're located on the east tower, you have unobstructed views, and the lower floor of this unit gives it that almost cruise ship-like feel to it. The balcony grants you access from both the living and the bedroom, and one of my favorite things about this master bedroom is the additional floor-to-ceiling window found on the north side of the room, which floods the entire room with natural light. Amenities in One Miami include 2 swimming pools, a jacuzzi, an outdoor shower, a sun deck, 2 fitness centers, 2 social rooms, a business center, and a convenience store. The amenity deck has stunning views of the bay, and all the amenities can be found in one centralized location. One Miami has been a staple in downtown since its inauguration, and due to its location and endless water views from the majority of the units here, it's easy to see why it's been relevant for so many years. Many places of interest such as Whole Foods and Silver Spot movie theaters have opened a few blocks from this location, placing One Miami at the center of the action. Continue learning more about Miami real estate by clicking on any of the property tours that you see here on screen. Like this video if you found value, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate that notification bell if you haven't done so already. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next week. God bless.